What's up guys, AK with DCC Train, testing MTH converted locomotives with Soundtraxx Tsunami boards and current keepers, version 2. You can watch the previous videos because I cannot fit the version 1. So controlling with the Digitrax new wireless throttle, bear with me because I'm only one guy operating everything. So let's 4801, let's start the engine. And 4804, start. So they on consist already. Lights, F0, and I want to get marker lights on function 26. Alright, and number boards on 24. There we go. Excellent. In this unit, I just want to keep it simple. I'll put marker lights red. There we go. Nice. I'm going to test current keeper when it's just sitting here and when it's running. I forgot to turn on number boards on 04. There we go. That will be 24. There we go. Nice speed. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, sounds both units and some lights. See for how long the power will keep. Current keeper. Cutting power. No kidding, that's good. Alright guys, now I'm going to cut the power right there when the engine coming here, when this crew member or whatever maintenance guy, and very crucial to keep that speed very low when that engine can stall on unpowered frogs or just imperfection on layout. So that's usually speed something not good happen. Cutting power. Wow, like almost, yeah, about like 3 inches, which is great result. It will go over any like big unpowered switches. That will be all for today. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. You can support channel joining membership, because I'm going to make very nice video how I did conversion about those locomotives. Thanks again.